We ladies at Beverly Hills do it all to look and feel our best. As many people know, I've gone through quite a transformation. I've made a lot of lifestyle changes to look and feel good, and I will not settle for anything but the best. That includes what I put on my skin.
Mom, hold on to your Birkin because I just found the most amazing moisturizer ever. Trust me, you've never felt anything more luxurious.
First of all, that's a Kelly, not a Birkin. Listen, I've lived in this town my whole life, and I do consider myself an expert on luxury, so I was a little skeptical about this so-called luxurious moisturizer.
Okay, now hold on to your cowboy hat.
I get it, Alexia.
This is Water Drench Cloud Cream by Peter Thomas Roth.
Oh my gosh. It feels so weightless. The texture feels like silk on my skin. It's so luxurious. And this cream to water formula, it's like a cool drink of water for my skin. Alexia!
Sorry, you were really out of it. What do you think? It's perfect, right?
Alexia was right. Water Drench Cloud Cream is the perfect moisturizer.
Yeah, it'll even help with your fine lines and wrinkles.
What wrinkles?